first-time homebuyers rejoice. This is the one for you. Nestled in the gated community of Mira Lago just minutes from Bahia Beach, this 3-bedroom, plus flex space, home features a split open floor plan and 2 full bathrooms. Privacy and security are paramount, thanks to a fully fenced yard. Enjoy the freedom to roam and unwind in your own private sanctuary. Say goodbye to worries about maintenance with fresh paint throughout all common areas, a newer air conditioner, 2022, new garbage disposal, and the backyard even features lush new sod. Flood insurance not required. Schedule a showing today and discover the perfect blend of comfort, convenience, and charm in this remarkable property.